Alright, Ilya back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a custom HTML form and connect it on Groovepages website over here. And this is in case you don't want to integrate autoresponder through API, you just want to create an HTML form and collect links from there. All we have to do is on the page we want to set up the form, we have to just create a form element. From the element we just select container, we just select it over here, and then we slide down to code embed and we just select that, save. Okay, so we can embed any HTML we like over here. Just press here and over here, and this is where we should put the code. Yes, but in order to receive that code we have to create the form on sendinblue. All we have to do is head over to sendinblue, actually sendinblue.com. Yep, and just take a free test drive, create an account there. All right, yep, and we have already created a test account here, and we have like 6 contacts and stuff. Contacts are unlimited, and you can also create automations and stuff, so you can play around with sendinblue. Here you have 300 emails every day, they are resetting, so yep. And you have up to 2000 contacts which you can put automations to, and then on the paid options you can play around. But for now I'm just going to show you how you can create a custom HTML which is going to collect leads on Groovepages. So all you have to do is press the plus button over here, apps and integrations, apps, and you just select, where is it, 1 second, just select a landing pages. When you select a landing pages, you head over to contacts over here, and on the top you should see lists, forms, settings. So just press forms. When you press forms, right here I have already created a form. We just create a new subscription form. We just create the name of the form, let's say testing 123. Then enable GDPR fields. Yep, you can do that as well. Let's say if you are from a European, if you want to get leads from European countries, you can enable GDPR fields. Let's just enable them. Next, we can design it however we like. Let's say you can add more titles. For example, this is title 1, and this is title 2. Right. Okay, subscribe to our newsletter to stay updated. Enter your email address to subscribe. Yep, you can change the language as well, which is cool. So I'm just going to change my language to Bulgarian, and this is so this says, basically it's in Bulgarian, it says this is title 1. Okay, I just put it on English for now. This is title 1. Okay, email over here on the left, you should see the settings for the selection you have. Here you can just change the size, whatever. Okay, just do it quickly here. Okay, and GDPR declaration, you can change the text color, you can see. Yep, okay, and over here is the button. You can select how rounded the corners to be like, you can select the size, you can select where it can be on the side or in the middle. Let it be in the middle, and I just want it to be red. I just like red buttons, they look cool, right? You can also select alert, success rate, error rate. This is an example. You may edit the text in the messages tab. Okay, so next, we strongly recommend that you use CAPTCHA. Okay, we can use CAPTCHA. First, on sendinblue you should have already set up a list. It's It's over here on the list, so you just set up a list and that's it. And then for example, I'll just select Groove, it's on Bulgarian. Okay, next. So confirmation. Over here, in order to be GDPR compliant, you should select a double confirmation email and just the default template, confirmation page after submitting the form. Select the confirmation page. You can select a custom page. Oh yeah, you have loads of options and everything. Okay, no confirmation email. Next. Okay, messages, your success message. So once people sign up, what will be the success message? Your subscription has been successful. This message will show up on the form. Invalid user information. Yep, error message and everything. Next. Okay, let's go. And this is iframe. This is HTML. This is simple HTML. Just use that HTML, and we go back to our Groovefunnels. As you saw already, let it just load. Usually it's not that slow. The problem is that I'm using incognito, and I don't know what is happening with incognito, but it's a bit slower on incognito. So where was the page? Yep, there was the page. So as you saw before, we just created an empty container, and then we put a code embed in the container. So we have to select the embed over here on the bottom. You should see embed, and just click over here, and here you should paste. Just select paste, and here is the entire code, the HTML code from sendinblue. This code over here, and then you just press save, and here is the form. As you can see, it's working. Let me just set that page as the home page. Okay. Yeah, there's the home page. Save, publish. Let's say lemons 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm just saving that to show you how the page looks live. This should be the live version. Sometimes it shows error 404 because we've changed quite a bit. And I just press publish. Yep, there we have it. It's working, as you can see. And here is the form, guys. Here is the form. We have it. There it is. Just press whatever, agree, or you can remove it, and you can have subscribers to your list in sendinblue, guys. So this is how you can embed HTML form, and you can do it from any other autoresponder, or you can embed any other HTML, for example. So it doesn't have to be sendinblue. So as you see, we have a border here around the form, and if you don't want to have a border, you can remove it very easily. Just head over to, just press on the embed and just select expert mode, just activate it, and then press on the borders. Over here, as you can see, it's 2 pixels. Just put it on 0, save and publish, and just wait for a bit, and it should be ready within a few seconds. And I want to thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And if you still don't have an account, just head over to promo.iliasismarketing.com. You can check the link on the description or in the comment section, and I will send you some free bonuses. As soon as you sign up, they will immediately come into your inbox account. You also receive your free account. You have 3 websites, and you're probably aware by now, so I don't have to explain anymore. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.